Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup look that I have on, and it's supposed to be like a New Year's Eve look, and it's so bronzy and just glowy. Like, look at that highlighter there. It's so pretty, seriously. And this lip combo, I'm obsessed. So if you want to see how I got this highlighter popping over here and what lips combination I use, then please make sure to keep on watching. So I've already gone off camera and I primed, and I just used the First Aid Beauty Primer. I had a little sample of it, so I thought I'm just going to use it, and it smells so good. Feels really nice on the face. And I already color corrected, as you can see, and I just used the color corrector that I've been using in most of my videos. And I'm just going to set it off camera with that Rimmel powder that I've been using. And I still haven't got a new green color corrector, or else I would use it for my forehead area because I just been breaking out so bad right there, like recently. Like, it's going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer and be doing my face. And I'm just going to be taking these Algenist skin like liquid highlighter drops and mixing it in with the foundation. And I'm just taking this Morphe sponge to blend it out. I went and did my eyebrows, and I swear the girl messed my eyebrow up right there, and I'm so mad about it. And now I'm just going to go in with my concealer, but I'm going to finish it off camera because I still just do it the same. So my concealer's all blended out, and honestly guys, I know my eyes look red, and it's because this is the third video that I filmed today. So like the lights and like the camera just like being on my eyes is literally making my eyes like burn because it's like the third video now. It's like, I don't know, like, have you ever just had a light just like shining in your eyes? It hurts so bad, I swear. But whatever, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Anyways, moving on, I'm gonna cream contour now, and I'm gonna take my Morphe M439 brush to blend it all out. So I already set my face, and I'm just gonna wipe away that powder already, except for underneath my eyes. So for eyes, I'm gonna be taking this Sephora palette, and it just looks like this, and I'm gonna be going in with this light brown shade here. I'm going for a very natural but glam, bronzy, glowy look. And I'm going to take this shade here by the Sephora brand and place that all throughout my crease. And I'm just going to take this sample just cause why not? And I'm going to lay it on my crease. Lay it on my lid, not my crease. Although I should have done this before I even put any eyeshadow on. But I'm going to take the other side of the brush and be going in with this color here. I'm going to be going in with this smaller brush here just to get the more small parts of the eye. I'm sorry if the lighting's a little bit off in this video. And now from this palette, I'm just going to be taking this white shimmer shade here, and I'm just taking that light shade and putting it in the center of my lid. I honestly hate, okay, I don't hate, but I don't like how browns look on my skin. Not on my skin, just like on my eyes. Like brown eyeshadows just don't suit me at all. And I'm just taking that light brown and going on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit of this gold shimmer shade and place it in the center of the lower lash line. I'm just gonna now take this Physicians Formula Bronze Booster Bronzer to just bronze up. I can't stop looking at how my eyes look, but I swear when I put lashes on, I'll feel so much better about the brown. I feel like eyelashes just like pull any look together. Like it just makes anything that like you feel doesn't look good on you or like anything like that, I just feel like it makes it like okay. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Damn Girl mascara by Too Faced. For highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I have it in the shades Mean Money and Hustler Baby. And I'm going to be using the Morphe Y14 brush. And I'm going to be using a little bit of the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist setting spray to spritz the brush. And I'm going to be taking a mix of the two shades. I mean, come on. This highlighter is so pretty. It definitely is very pigmented, but it pops so much more if you wet it. Honestly, I'm gonna have to go in with a dry brush. So I'm gonna go off camera right now to apply my falsies, and I'll be right back. So my lashes are on, and while they're drying, before I add mascara to the top and bottom, I'm going to go ahead and do my lipstick, and I'm just using the shade Birthday Suit from the Kylie Vacation set, and this is the mattes, not the velvets. So while that dries, that lipstick dries a little bit, I'm going to go in with my bottom mascara now. And now I'm going to take this Kylie lipstick in the shade Glamour and go over top of that lipstick that I have on, and this is also from her vacation set. And this is seriously like the most pretty gold glittery lip gloss ever. So I wasn't filming when I set my face. I did it off camera by accident. I honestly wasn't even talking to the camera and everything. But I was just saying that I hate to say this, but I do not like this spritzer at all. I literally hate it. I honestly hate it. I can actually say that, and I feel so bad to say that. But the product is good. It smells so good. It smells like coconuts. It literally smells like heaven. It's awesome. And it sets your makeup well. Like, it does a good job. But this spritzer right here feels like somebody's just grabbed a hose and is just spraying you in your face with it. It's so harsh. It literally just like I can't even tell you. I like the product though. Like, I feel bad to say that, but I like the product. But I just really hope they can take this criticism and maybe make a nicer spritzer. That's all. And this is it, you guys. This is the finished look. It's so pretty. Like, I feel like it's so bronzy and sparkly and like just so gorgeous, and it's perfect for New Year's. So please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll be back with another video.